Welcome to all. Today I will explain about an article regarding a topic Pitot tubes in aircraft. Pitot tube is widely used to determine the airspeed of aircraft. Basically, a Pitot tube is used in wind tunnel experiments and on airplanes to measure flow speed. It's a slender tube that has two holes on it. The front hole is placed in the airstream to measure what's called the stagnation pressure. The working principle of a Pitot tube is when a solid body is kept centrally and stationary in a pipeline with flowing fluid, the velocity of the fluid starts reducing. At the same time, the pressure fluid increases due to the conversion of kinetic energy into pressure energy. Due to the presence of a body directly in front of the solid body, the velocity becomes zero. This point is known as the stagnation point. The fluid can be measured by measuring the difference between the pressure at the normal flow line, static pressure, and the stagnation point. It's called as stagnation pressure. Before we are going to the advantages part, the aircraft will basically used on 6 type of instruments. The first one type of instruments is attitude indicator, and the second one is a turn indicator, and third one is a head indicator, and fourth one is an altimeter, and fifth one is airspeed indicator, and the final one is vertical speed indicator. So in this part, the Pitot tube is used in economical is installed to not contain the moving parts, and this minimize the frictional loss and easy to install. Due to its small size, it can introduce to fluid flow without shutting down the flow, and loss of pressure is very small. It can be easily installed in extreme environment and high temperature and pressure conditions. And the disadvantages of a Pitot tube in aircraft is it have a low sensitivity and low poor accuracy. It requires high velocity flow, and it's not suitable for dirty or sticky fluid like sewage disposal. Sensitivity is disturbed by a flow direction. The Pitot tubes have found limited applications in industries because they can easily become clogged with foreign materials in the liquid. There is no standardization for Pitot tube. Change in velocity profile may cause significant errors. Due to change in velocity profile, it develops a very low differential pressure which is difficult to measure.